See, next problem, fifth one. So clearly, coefficients of the binomial coefficients are in AP 1, 4, 7, and so on. So there is a direct formula for that. There are 4 methods for finding this one. See only second method, shortcut method. Formula for this, yesterday already we had discussed it. 2a plus n into 2 power n minus 1. A is first term 1. 2 into 1 plus n into common difference is 3 into 2 power n minus 1. Therefore 3n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1. Next, sixth problem. The value of 3c0 minus 7c1 plus 11c2 minus and so on up to n plus 1 terms. Clear. In this one also clearly coefficients are in AP but with alternative plus or minus signs. That's value is answer 0. See yesterday's notes. Please before applying the formula, see all terms present or not. C not present, the number of terms is n plus 1. Therefore clearly all terms are present too. Therefore from one of the formulae, answer 0. Coefficients are in AP and alternative plus or minus signs, thus value is always 0. Next, the value of 15c2 plus 2 into 15c3 plus 3 into 15c4 plus and so on 14 into 15c50. So many problems can create based on similar to this one. So first we have to write general term. Please observe the terms. Coefficient of suffix value 2, coefficient is 1. Suffix value 3, coefficient is 2. Suffix value 4, coefficient is 3. Therefore, general term related to 15c2, 15c3 and so on is 15cr and coefficient is r minus 1. This is suffix value minus 1 where r equal to 2 to 15 equal to, expand this one, r into 15cr minus sigma 15cr equal to sigma r into, from one of the properties of NCR formula, n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. See first class of binomial theorem. So from that formula 15cr is 15 by r into 14c r minus 1 minus sigma 15cr r equal to 2 to 15, r equal to 2 to 15, r cancelled. Take this 15 outside. Now I am opening the sigma. When r is 2, 15c1, when r is 3, 15c2, when r is 15, 14c, 14. Similarly, when r is 2, 15c2, next 15c3 and so on, 15c50. From one of the formula of yesterday class, nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus and so on plus ncn equal to 2 power n. Therefore, 14c0 to 14c14 is 2 power 14. But in that one, 14c0 missing. Therefore, that's value is 2 power 14 minus 14c0 value 1. Similarly, in this one there are first two terms are missing, 15c0 and 15c1. Therefore, 2 power 15 minus missing terms 15c0 15C1. Okay. So 15C0 value 1, 15C1 value 15. Now see the options. Can select required. Please, in the different formulas by heart changing, otherwise the problems are then over. Next, 8th one. The value of C0 plus C1 plus 2C2 into 3 plus 3 into C3 into 3 square plus 4 into C4 into 3 cube plus and so on. N into Cn into 3 power n minus 1 equal to. Same. See, we can write general term from this one. Except the first two terms C0. C0 means NC0. From this one, we can write to general term, generalize sigma. Observe the terms. Suffix value 1, coefficient 1. Suffix value 2, coefficient 2. Suffix value 3, coefficient 3. Therefore, R, C, R. Suffix value 2, 3 power 1. Suffix value 3, 3 power 2. Suffix value 4, 3 cube. Therefore, suffix value R, 3 power R minus 1. Where R equal to 1 to N. Okay. Equal to C0 plus sigma R equal to 1 to N. To eliminate this R, we have to apply the formula. CR means NCR. NCR formula just discussed. N by R into N minus 1 C R minus 1. 3 power R minus 1. Thus R cancelled. C0 plus taking this C N outside. Now open the sigma. When R is 1, N minus 1 C0 3 power 0 plus when R is 2, N minus 1 C1 3 power 1 plus N minus 1 C2 3 squared and so on. When R is N minus 1 C N minus 1 3 power N minus 1. See, this is formula of 1 plus x whole power N. See, from binomial theorem 1 plus x whole power N equal to NC0 plus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x squared and so on. But in the place of n there is n minus 1. In the place of x there is 3. Therefore, C0 plus n into, from this formula, this is equal to 1 plus x value 3 whole power n value n minus 1. So, C0 value 1. Therefore, 1 plus n into 4 power n minus 1. Next, 9th one, the value of 2 into C2 plus 6 into C3 plus 12 into C4 plus n into n minus 1 into Cn equal to dash. Clearly, this one, for general term, there is a hint in the last term, C, n into n minus 1. Product of two consecutive integers. So clearly 2 is 1 into 2. This is 2 into 3. This is 3 into 4. 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4 and so on. Therefore, required can be expressed as sigma R minus 1 into R C R, where R equal to 2 to n. R equal to 2 to n, right? So clearly these two are equal. So to eliminate to R and R minus 1, formula for NCR means NCR. NCR formula, n by R into n minus 1 by R minus 1 into n minus 2 C R minus 2. So we can extend this formula. Here we have to cancel R and R minus 1. Two terms we have to cancel. Therefore, we have to apply that formula 2 times. Clearly, R minus 1 cancel. We can take n minus 1 outside because they are independent of the sigma. R equal to 2 to n means R is variable, n is constant. Now sigma n minus 2 C R minus 2. Now I am obeying the sigma. When R is 2, n minus 2 C naught. When R is 3, and so on. When R is n, so NC0 to NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 and so on, NCn formula 2 power n. But here in the place of n there is n minus 2. Therefore 2 power n minus 2. So n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. Next, 10th one. Sigma R equal to 0 to 11 R into 20 CR. So directly required contain sigma. So here no need to express in terms of sigma. To cancel this one from NCR formula, 20 by R, 19 C R minus 1. R cancel. 20 outside. Now open the sigma. When R is when R equal to 0, 0 into that value is 0. So not possible. So when R equal to 0, 0 minus 1 not possible. When R is 1, 19C0. Next, 19C1 and so on. When R is 11, 19C10. So yesterday already we did this model. 19C0 to 19C10. Now I am finding the value of 19C0 to 19C10. So we know that 19C0 plus 19C1 plus and so on, 19C9, 19C10, 19C11, 19C12 and so on, 19C19 equal to 2 power 19. Okay? Total number of terms is 20. But required is 19C0 to 19C10. So 0 to 10 means 11 terms. 11 terms. But total number of terms is 20. Therefore, we have to add and subtract one term, that is 19C10 plus 19C11 and so on, 19C19. So it term matches and subtract. Why I am adding and subtracting that term? To make equal terms. Now these two are equal. If this is K, this is also K. 19C term 7, its previous term 19C9. 19C. So clearly these two are equal and this is required is K. Suppose this is also K. Therefore K plus K. 2K equal to 2 power 19 plus 19C10. Therefore K equal to 2 power 18 plus 2 power 19 plus 19C10 by 2. Now replace this one with 2. Now required. Finally required is 2 power 19 plus 19C10 by 2. 2 ones, 2 tens. So which is required? Yesterday already we solved this type of problems. Next, 11th one, important 11th 12. One is previous means, one is previous advanced problem in whole descriptive. See 11th one. If x plus y equal to 1, then the value of r equal to 0 to n r NCR x power r y power n minus r. Okay, see, directly required r equal to 0 to n, r cancel చేయడం కోసం NCR formula n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1 into x power r into y power n minus r. Now r cancel. We can take n, or we can write n outside because that is independent of sigma r equal to 0 to n. Now n minus 1 c r minus 1. X power r can be expressed as x into x power r minus 1. Y power n minus r can be expressed as n minus 1 minus of r minus 1. See the reason for this, why I am writing like this. X power r is x into r minus x power r minus 1. N minus r is n minus 1 minus of r minus 1. అలాగే రాసానంటే binomial theorem expansion, x plus a whole power n equal to formula sigma NCR x power n minus r a power r. This is formula. అంటే these terms are in the form of NCR x power n minus r a power r sigma. Then we can replace this one with x plus y whole power x plus a whole power n. NCR, okay na? One term whole power this number ఉండాలి. ఈ సఫిక్స్ వాల్యూ ఉంది కదా, ఇది పవర్ లో ఉండాలి. ఇంకో దాని పవర్ లో ఏమో డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ ఉండాలి. డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ. సో హియర్ సఫిక్స్ వాల్యూ r minus 1. So we need power of x is r minus 1. Okay, చూడండి ఇక్కడ సఫిక్స్ వాల్యూ r, a power r. Other one power is the difference of these two. So suffix value r minus 1. So we need the power of x is r minus 1. So that's why I am writing x power r is x into x power r minus 1. Okay, and power of, we need power of y is difference of these two. Right, difference of these two. But here no need to multiply dividing into one more another one, because minus 1 cancel, minus 1 sufficient. Now take this x outside and into x. We can write this x outside. Now this is in the form of NCR x power n minus r a power r. So from this formula this is equal to x plus y whole power n minus 1. In the place of n here n minus 1. In the place of r here r minus 1. But given that x plus y equal to 1, so 1 power n minus 1, 1, so answer n into x. Very, very important. See, this is previous main problem. Similarly, see previous advanced problem, 12th one. Same, given that x plus y equal to 1, and then the value of sigma r square NCR x power r y power n minus r equal to, here r square, second degree term. R square can be expressed as r into r minus 1 plus r. ఎందుకు ఇలా రాసాను? Because NCR formula can contain r minus 1, r minus 2, r minus 3, etc. So first we have the second degree r into r minus 1. To make these two equal, I am adding 2 into NCR x power r y power n minus r. Okay. So sigma r into r minus 1 into NCR x power r y power n minus r plus r into NCR into x power r y power n minus r. Okay. So r minus 1 cancel చేయడం కోసం NCR ప్లేస్ లో n by r n minus 1 by r minus 1 n minus 2 c r minus 2. That's r minus 1 cancel. So here suffix value r minus 2 x power r can be expressed as x power r minus 2 into x square. N minus r can be expressed as n minus 2 minus r r minus 2. Then what happened? So n into n minus 1 into x square right outside. Now we have n minus 2 c r minus 2 x power r minus 2 y power n minus 2 minus half r minus 2. So for the above formula, that is equal to x plus y whole power n minus 2. This already find out chesam kada. That value n into x. But x plus y value 1. Therefore final answer n into n minus 1 into x square plus nx. Again we can take nx common, get sum required. So similarly they can ask sigma r cube into NCR x power r y power n minus r, sigma r power 4, etc. Okay. Next, 13th one, the value of 20 C0 plus 20 C1 plus 20 C2 plus 20 C3 plus 20 C4 20 C12 20 C13 20 C14 20 C15 equal. So yesterday already done this model. Clearly see 20 C15 is 20 C5, this is 20 C6 formula. From the formula NCR equal to NCN minus R, this is equal to 20 C7, this is equal to 20 C6. Therefore finally we need 20 C0 to 20 C4, 20 C5, 20 C6, 20 C7, 20 C8. Required is 20 C0 to 20 C8. Yes, this model yesterday done already. So from first formula of binomial coefficient to 20 C0, 20 C1 and so on, 20 C8, 20 C9, 20 C10, 20 C11 and so on, 20 C20 equal to 2 power 20. Okay. Required is 20 C0 to 20 C8. Number of terms 0 to 8 means 9. But total number of terms is 21. 20 C12. Here 20 C12. 20 C12 is 20 C18. Right. So clearly this is required value. Sum of these 9 values is same as sum of these 9 values. Okay. If required is k plus k, 2k plus 20 C9 plus 20 C10 plus 20C11 equal to 2 power 20. Therefore, required K equal to 2 power 20 minus 20C9 minus 20C10 minus 20C11 whole divided by 2. So, no need to simplify. So, options as is only option equal. Okay. Only 2 terms. 21 terms, 9 plus 9, 18. So here 11 missing. Okay. So 11 missing today. Notes 20C11. Next, 14th one. The value of 12C2 plus 13C3 plus 14C4 plus and so on. 999 C 989 equal to. So don't be afraid. Very easy. This is its related formula. NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to n plus 1 CR. Conditions. N same, suffix values are consecutive, then we can apply this formula. Formula answer, the right hand side is add 1 to this n and write the big value of these two R. But by observing the terms to the given one, so we cannot apply this formula to any two terms. So to apply this formula to the first term, front we need 12C1. So required equal to, I have add and subtract the term 12C1 plus 12C2 plus 13C3 plus 14C4 and so 999 C 989 minus 12C1. Add and subtract this one. Now we can apply that formula successfully up to last one. Clearly sum of these two from the above formula 13C2. Again sum of these two is 14C3. Again sum of these two is 15C4 and so on. Finally 1000 C big value 989 minus 12C1 value 12. So options ilage untundi. Inka kavalante NCR formula NC n minus R. So this is nothing but 1000 C 1000 minus 989 means 11. So answer ila ivochu advance more than 1 lo both ivochu. Idoka option both answers equal. Next is similar problem, 15th one. NC0 plus n plus 1 C1 plus n plus 2 C2 and so n plus k ck equal. Say formula related to this one NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to n plus 1 CR. But here no need to add and subtract the term. But we cannot apply this by observing the terms of given one. We cannot apply this formula for any two terms. NC0 value 1. I have replaced this one with n plus 1 C0. Because suffix value is 0, that value is always 1. So NC0 value 1, n plus 1 C0 is also 1. So I am replacing NC0 with n plus 1 C0. Now we can apply this formula because n plus 1 values are equal, suffix values are constant. So from this formula, sum of these two equal to n plus 2 C1. Again, we can apply this formula for these two terms. Again, sum of these two equal to n plus 3 C3, C2, and so on. So by adding 1, n plus k plus 1 Ck, which is required. So these are problems related to the above standard result too. Next to see some more standard problems, some more standard results. So IB or 7 marks ki important proof. So proof code నేర్చుకోవాలి. IB ki object 2 ki statements by heart చేయాలి. Say first standard result, the mundu 7 complete ayindi, 8th one. The value of C0 into CR plus C1 into CR plus 1 plus C2 into CR plus 2 and so on. Cn minus R into Cn equal to 2n C n minus R. Very important for objective problems. At the same time, for IB 7 marks, show that C0 CR plus C1 CR plus 1 plus C2 CR plus 2 and so on. Cn minus R into Cn equal to 2m Cn minus R. So it is difficult to understand the proof, but try to understand. Otherwise, but formula is by heart. See the proof of this one. So from the first formula of expansion 1 plus x whole power n. First expansion of binomial theorem. X plus a whole power n equal to NC0 x power 0 NC0 into x power n into a power 0 plus NC1 into x power n minus 1 into a square plus NC2 into x power n minus 2 into a square and a cube NC0 NC1 NC2 and so on. Thus, powers of x are decreasing, powers of a are increasing. Okay. So from this formula, the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. X plus 1 in the place of a x. NC0 plus NC1 into x plus NC2 into x square and so on. General term. Hence, then not general term. NCn minus R is x power n minus R. Okay, suffix value, power of x are same. Suffix value 1, power of x is 1. Suffix value 2, power of x is 2. NC3 x cube. NC4 x power 4. NCn minus R x power n minus R. And so NCn into x power n. So all of you know this one. Okay. Same term but reverse. X plus 1 whole power n. Apply this formula. X plus x in the place of a 1. See this formula. Apply this one. NC0 x power n plus NC1 x power n minus 1 NC2 x power n minus 2. Observe, suffix value 1 power n minus 1, suffix value 2 power n minus 2, and so on. Suffix value r power n minus r. Okay. Suffix value r plus 1 power n minus of r plus 1, and so on. Last term NCN x power j. Okay. Now over. Multiply on both sides. First one and the second. Multiply on both sides. What is product of LHS? 1 plus x whole power n. X plus 1 whole power n is also 1 plus x whole power n. Thus 1 plus x whole power n into 1 plus x whole power n is 1 plus x whole power 2n. So by multiplying these two, finally 1 plus x whole power 2n equal to expansion of the first one into expansion of second. So now I am equating coefficient of x power n minus r on both sides get required, C0, CR and so on. In this product, what are the coefficient of x power n minus r? See, NC0 into NCR. NC0 into NCR. Okay. NC0 into NCR is the coefficient of x power n minus r plus NC1 into NCR plus 1. See, sum of the powers of x in this one. Sum of the powers of x in this product. See, power n minus 1, n minus r minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Again, in this product. NC1 into NCR plus 1, sum of the powers of x. X power 1, minus 1 cancel, n minus r. And so on. This is required. NC0. This one means C0 into CR plus C1 into CR plus 1. Similarly, next to C2 into CR plus 2 and so on. So this is coefficient of x power n minus r of right hand side. Now we have to write on left hand side coefficient of x power n minus r of this one. So what is 1 plus x whole power n? 1 plus x whole power n is C0 plus C1 into x power 1 plus C2 into x square and so on. Means coefficient of x square is C2. Coefficient of x cube is C3. Coefficient of x power 4 is C4. Thus coefficient of x power n minus r is Cn minus r. Cn minus r means Nc n minus r. So, here in the place of n there is 2n. Therefore, 2n C n minus r. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. See one more time. First write the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. Next write the expansion of x plus 1 whole power n and multiply those two on both sides. To obtain the required, we have to equate coefficient of x power n minus r on both sides. Just 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps is 7 marks. IP lo. Okay, na? So IP lo just by heart. To obtain the required, after multiplying, we have to equate coefficient of x power n minus r and గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా? సో ప్రస్తుతం ఐటీ మనకు అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ బయోలాజికల్ థియరం 30% సిలబస్ లో డిలీట్ చేశారు. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఐటీ 30%. సో మరి ఈ సంవత్సరం ఏం చేస్తారో తెలియదు. బట్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అయితే డిలీట్ చేయలేదు. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ కి మీరు బయోలాజికల్ థియరం ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాల్సిందే అండ్ ఈ ఫార్ములా బై హార్ట్ చేయాల్సిందే. So problems based on this one. When r is 0, when r is 1, when r is 2, when r is 3, when r is 4, when r is 5, get results. R results problem lo istaru. Okay na? When r is 0, for example, c0 square plus c1 square plus plus c2 square plus cn and so on cn square. Formula when r is 0, 2n cn. Put r equal to 1 on both sides. C0 c1 plus c1 c2 plus c2 c3 and so on is 2n cn minus 1. When r is 2, c0 c2 plus c1 c3 plus c2 c4 and so on is 2n cn minus 2. So if you by heart this one, you can find answer without written work by keeping r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. So by heart this one. Any one. Similarly, ninth one, then that's application. 10th one, that's application. Ninth one, if the value of c naught square minus c1 square plus c2 square minus c3 square and so on equal to two formulas depends on the value of n, even or odd. If n is even, that's value minus 1 whole power n by 2 into nc n by 2. If n is even, 0 if n is odd. Not possible in this case, that's value. Say the proof of this one. Say proof. It is difficult to understand, but we have to learn for IT. Solve marks this one also very important. See the proof of this one. First write the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. Formula c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus c3x cube plus and so on. Next write the expansion of x minus 1 whole power n. See the formula of x minus a whole power n in the first class of binomial theory. So c0 into x power n minus c1 into x power n minus 1 plus c2 into x power n minus 2 and so on. Same, multiply on both sides. 1 plus x is nothing but x plus 1. X plus 1 whole power n into x minus 1 whole power n is x squared minus 1 whole power n. I am multiplying x squared minus 1 whole power n equal to first expansion into second expansion. Now observe the terms of product of these two unrequired. C naught square is C naught into C naught. C naught into C naught is coefficient of x power n. Minus C1 square is C1 into minus C1 is also coefficient of x power n. Plus C2 square is coefficient of x power n. So by equating coefficient of x power n on both sides, coefficient of x power n of right hand side is clearly C0 square minus C1 square plus C2 square and so on. Now we have to find the coefficient of x power n in this one. That is the answer. Okay. I am writing the expansion of x square minus 1 whole power n. NC0 x square whole power n plus NC1 minus x square whole power n minus 1 plus NC2 x square whole power n minus 2 and so on. We need coefficient of x power n. X power n equals to x square common x power when r is n by 2 x square whole power n minus 2. Power n minus 2 suffix value 2. Power n minus 1 suffix value 1. Power minus n by 2 suffix value n by 2. So here minus 1 whole power n by 2. So clearly n minus n by 2 is n by 2. X square whole power n by 2 is x power n. So coefficient of x power n is nc n by 2 minus 1 whole power n by 2. When n is even. N is odd, this is not possible because when n is odd number by 2 is not integer. So in the NCR, r is always integer, but odd number by 2 is not an integer. So not possible. That means coefficient of x power n does not exist in this product, in that one. Therefore, in that case, does not exist means no such term. That means that coefficient is always 0. So by heart this one, c0 square minus c1 square plus c2 square and so on. N is even, formula, n is odd, direct answer. Okay. Right. Next one. 10th standard result, very important. 10th standard result. The value of MC0 into MCR plus MC1 into MCR minus 1 plus NC2 into MCR minus 2 and so on. NCR into MC0 equal to M plus NCR. Very important. So, this is ideal only objective formula by heart changing. So, see the conditions. In each term, sum of the suffix values is R. 0 plus R, 1 plus R minus 1 R, 2 plus R minus 2 R, and so on, R plus 0 R. Thus, suffix values of n are increasing, suffix values of m are decreasing. In each case, sum of the suffix values are. See the proof of this one. The expansion of 1 plus x whole power n equal to nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus and so on. And the expansion of 1 plus x whole power m equal to same mc0 mc1 into x mc2 into x square and so on. mcr into x power r, okay? Suffix value x power 1, suffix value 1 x power 1. So it's 3x mcr minus 1 x power r minus 1. Next term mcr minus 2 x power r minus 2 and so on. Now multiply these two. Multiply these two on both sides. Clearly product of these two is 1 plus x whole power m plus n equal to expansion of first one is expansion of second one. Now think to obtain this one, what coefficient have to equate on both sides? NC0 into MCR is coefficient of x power r. So you over by equating coefficient of x power r on both sides get required. What is coefficient of x power r in RHS product? NC0 into MCR. Okay. NC1 into MCR minus 1. See the sum of the powers of x in these two terms. Power 1 plus r minus 1 is r. Same. In this product, the sum of the powers of x is also r. So coefficient of x power r is MC2, MCR minus 2 and so on. So clearly coefficient of x power r in this product is r. This is LHS. Now clearly coefficient of x power r in this expansion is m plus n CR. Okay. Problems based on this one important, but in some cases first term missing or first two terms missing. So in that our last term terms are missing. In that case, we have to add and subtract to required terms, then we can apply the formula. See, next standard result, 11th one. The value of a c naught square plus a plus b c1 square plus a plus 2d c2 square plus and so on. A plus nd cn square equal. So this is also important. So already we had seen this model when coefficients are in AP. But in that one only C0, C1, C2, C3. But here C0 square, C1 square, C2 square coefficients are in AP. Then formula 2a plus nd into. So in that one also 2a plus nd common. But in that one 2 power n minus 1 here 2n cn by 2. 2a plus nd into 2n cn by 2. So see the proof of this one. Don't learn proof of this one. IPPD and IP level only objective. See the proof. First I am assuming the required LHS. A c0 square, a plus b c1 square, a plus 2d c2 square, and so on. A plus nd cn square. Right, same one on the reverse side. A plus nd cn square. Last but one term. A plus n minus 1 d into cn minus 1 square plus a c0 square. Okay. So from the formula nc are equal to nc n minus r, cn equal to c0. Okay, Cn minus 1 equal to C1, C naught equal to Cn. Now by adding these two equations, s plus s2s equal to sum by taking C naught square common, get a plus nd means 2a plus nd. Similarly, sum of these two is also 2a plus nd. Sum of these two is also 2a plus nd. Sum of these two is also 2a plus nd. Again by taking 2a plus nd common, get c0 square plus c1 square and so on cn square. See about the one of the standard results, c0 square plus c1 square and so on cn square value 2n cn. This is the value of 2 times of required s. Therefore required s equal to 2a plus nd into 2n cn by 2. So by heart this one. And coefficients are in AP and contain C0 square, C1 square, C2 square and so on. Formula for that 2a plus nd into 2n cn by 2. Please, before apply this formula, observe all terms present or not. Otherwise, we have to add and subtract. Next standard result in the resulting of the sum like think like problem 12 and 13. So this is also for mains very important. And also the fast idea vachindi 12th one. See, the value of 1 by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial into n minus 5 factorial and so on. Okay, easy, all easy. Sure. Multiply and dividing with 2 n factorial. N factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial plus n factorial by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial From the formula NCR formula, basic formula, n minus n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. So from this formula, first one equal to NC1, second one is NC3, third one is NC5, and so on. So this is the formula for this 3 second standard result, 2 power n minus 1 by n factorial. Okay. See next 13th similar one. The value of 1 by 0 factorial into n factorial, 1 by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial, and so on. Same multiply dividing with n factorial. N factorial by 0 factorial into n factorial is NC0. N factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial is NC2 from this formula. Similarly, next NC4, next NC6, and so on. So 1 by n factorial into NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 plus NC6 is also 2 power n minus 1 by n factorial. Okay. So these are some more standard results. Tomorrow we will discuss problems related to this one with the binomial coefficients will be completed.